Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you tonight? Hope you're doing well. Today is Saturday. Just got back from my walk. Having a beer, enjoying myself. All right, fastest way to make money online 2020. This is the Millionaire Mastermind access as well. So stick around to the end. I need you access to the Millionaire Mastermind for just $10. It's a lifetime membership, and it's always being upgraded. The training is never ending. The training will continue forever, and it's what you're going to need to make money online. So if you like videos about making money online, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification so you get a little bing when I make a new video, or you'll get an email, however you get notified. I get notified on my phone, like YouTube basically shows me a little notification when something cool is coming up. All right, so what is the fastest way to make money online? A lot of people tend to, oh, I don't need this thing. I was queuing up another video. I have my Yeti mic. Ooh, birthday present. Great mic, by the way, if you need a mic for recording. So basically, what is the fastest way to make money online in 2020? So a lot of people like this freelance, the gig thing, right? Where you go and you take whatever talent you have and you can go make websites or do graphics or whatever like that. Like that's a fast way to make money. But if you want to make real money, if you want to start making substantial money where it's going to change your life and you're not tied to your computer, because a lot of those freelance jobs are like, you get paid for the gig, right? For the time. You don't get an hourly wage. So if you say, yeah, I'll bid on that for, $200, well, you have to work as many hours as it takes to get till it's done to get the $200. So that's one way of doing it. That's called active income. You're trading time for money. Get that out of your head. You want to work on making passive income, where you do a task once, like me creating this video, and this video will continue to promote the Millionaire Mastermind for as long as YouTube lasts. So hopefully, I think YouTube's probably going to last through my lifetime. I don't see it going anywhere. Other platforms may come and go, but I think Google and blogging and YouTube is pretty much here to stay. They may get fancier, but guys, it's just information. So how do you make passive income? Well, you have to learn the secrets of the people that are doing it. And that's why I want to give you this Millionaire Mastermind access for just $10. One-time fee, $10. If you want to jump ahead, go ahead and click the link. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk through some of the stuff you're going to get. And this is current, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this is current. So what happens, how it works is it's part of a bigger system that is a list, like a viral list building program. Now, why they have this sort of offshoot of a program is to get people trained to either take that and go work on their program, or if they want to then promote list leverage like I do, and I find it very, very valuable to promote it. In fact, today, and I'll just as a side note, how it works is it's a generic lead list building program. The leads that come in go into your autoresponder. And if you don't know what an autoresponder is, don't worry about it. It's just a program that allows you to send lots of emails to the people that have signed up for your list. So when you sign up for someone's list, they're using an autoresponder to contact you. So what happens is it basically these leads that you're generating using the techniques in the system go into your autoresponder. Now you can market whatever you want to that list, right? Because basically the people on that list are looking for opportunities, and that's why I say it's a generic list virus. So they're looking for different ways to make money. Maybe they're really interested in crypto or drop shipping or MLM, or maybe they want to start their own whatever. They want to start their own blog or whatever they want to do. Like they're looking for opportunity, right? So these are the people you want to be able to sell them either tools or further education, or get them tell them about your MLM or your affiliate programs or whatever it is, or just continue to provide content to them until you find something that you're really interested in and sell. The easiest thing to sell to people, guys, is actually education. People are looking for ways to do things better, and they're willing to pay for it. So that's just sort of the side note. That's the bigger picture. But going back to the Millionaire Mastermind, what it is basically It's a collective of the people that are doing very well in the make money online world, and every Monday through Friday, first thing in the morning, we do a little 15-20 minute little jam session, and we have great training, just nuggets of stuff like just sort of to get your day going, right? So it's kind of like a little team powwow. And then on Thursday nights, we do a big 1 to 1.5, sometimes closer to 2 hour training. And it's from everything, guys. It's like LinkedIn, Facebook, social media, TikTok, how to do, Bing advertising, leaderboards, all this kind of stuff. So first off, I want to show you a little bit of proof that I kind of know what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to show you the screen here. You can see here, I'll refresh it so you can see that it's today. I'm number 7 on the leaderboard, guys. Out of I'm number 7 right here out of our leaderboard for this program. So I think I'm kind of doing the right thing. So what is the Millionaire Mastermind? So it's basically a portal, and you'll have something like this as your portal. And when you first get it, and guys, you need to get it for $10. And here's the thing: pick it up for $10. If you're not totally satisfied, get your money back. 30-day money back guarantee, and then message me and say, Glenn, I thought it was crap. I'll send you another $10. So if you're not totally satisfied, I'll send you another $10. Anyways, you want to go to the introduction here because you really want to hear. Pause that. You want to hear what Matthew, the creator, is basically has done for you in the mastermind. But this button right here, this is so crucial. You want to click this and you want to fill that out. This is a survey, and it's going to take you through some questions that are really important. Either print it out or I recommend doing it right online. Like, it's going to open up and you'll see, like, right. So the success depends on how honestly you answer the following questions. Just answer the questions, guys. Go through the survey. It's going to be so important for you. It's super simple to do. It'll take you like 5 minutes to do, less than 5 minutes. That's the first thing you really want to do, right? The second thing you really want to do is join our Facebook group right here. Before you get into any of the training, those are the 2 steps. Do the survey and then join the Facebook group, because the magic happens, guys. We have training in that Facebook group all day long. People that are sharing their successes. People are sharing, like, no lie. People are sharing their emails that they're sending. People are showing the posts, the images that they're posting on Facebook to get viral posts going. And you can use the actual copy and the images that those people are using in order to promote your business or list leverage or whatever business you want to do. So that's really key. Once you've gone through the introduction, you listen to the video, and if you want to then be a reseller right now, just click next step, and basically you can become a reseller. If not, don't worry. You don't need to make that decision today. It's not like one-time offer kind of thing. It's just like, here it is. So what you're going to have access to is this, and this is where every Thursday night when we have a training, it will be put up here, and it'll be put into this area here. And so it's always being updated. So we also have advanced training here, which I'll just show you. So this, guys, I've bought a ton of I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on training. All this training for $10 is unbelievable. This is evergreen training. This is Matthew Neer. He was a top seller on ClickBank. He knows what he's talking about. He, in fact, in this system, he actually gives you, I think with the Millionaire Mastermind, does he give you the, don't quote me, you might get the emails. If not, if you become a list leverage, he gives you 1,000 of his best converting emails. So if you ever you don't know what to write, you go grab one of the emails, you model an email very similar to it, and then you send it out. So there's two YouTube SEO PowerPoints in here, or trainings. There's Facebook viral post strategy, by another viral Facebook post strategy, and underground marketing secrets. So there's just a ton of info there. And then they did a big Atlanta event before COVID, right? So they videoed all the trainers, and all these guys are 6 and 7 figure earners, guys. These guys are great. But then they get into this, the LinkedIn lead machine. This is probably this would be, I would say, a $300 course, right? If you wanted to just go buy it, it's 5 modules plus bonus tips, and you're going to go through that. What else is in here? The Bing Profits, how to do Bing ads. Victor Perez, how to dominate leaderboards. This guy is killing it. Remember I showed you the leaderboard? Look at, who's that? Look at these points. This guy is on top. He's unstoppable. And guess what? You get his training. So it's just like right there. If you don't know who Adam Sheldon is, another great, he's about just profiting off Facebook like crazy. J. Josh Bitzel's training, Ace and Rich, top 1% producers. These guys know how to do it. And there's more. There's going to be more going up. So basically it just keeps going up. More and more trainings are always being added. So you guys are so it's crazy. All right. So what? Let me jump back up here. There I am. Hey. All right. So hopefully that will help you understand the value of passive income and why this $10 program that you have lifetime access for. And remember, it's not monthly. $10 to have this training. And then anytime if you want to use the whole system, you can upgrade and do the whole system. When you do get the mastermind, message me, email me. You want to make sure you whitelist my email. So you're always getting emails you get my emails. I'm going to send you a PDF on exactly how to do what we just went through, or you can come back to this video and watch the video there and watch the video here. Hopefully you guys love it. And then, again, remember, if you don't find $10 worth of value in this training, cancel it, get your money back. Remember, you're going to be out of the Facebook group. You won't get the trainings anymore. And message me and I'll send you another $10. Because I believe in this. This is an amazing program. So I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. Just you are going to be amazed with this training. Now, all that aside, training is only as good as how much you execute it. So remember, when you've done this training, that's when the journey starts, right? Yes, the journey, your journey is starting by doing training, but you need to execute. You can only watch so much training. So watch a little bit, but then do some stuff. Do what they say. Don't try to watch it all. It's like a fire hose. Don't do that. Take in a little bit and then go, when you're watching the Facebook or the LinkedIn lead machine or the Facebook, take a little bit and then go execute it. Go try it. Go do some of it, right? Because that's how you're really going to learn. You can only get so much out of the video, but it's really, putting it into practice is how you're really going to learn how to do it. All right, guys, that's what I have for you tonight. Make sure you click the link below, get started, get your $10 access for life. Like, guys, it's always going to be there. Like, you don't have to worry. It's not going to go away. So grab it. And whenever you need something, go in there and like, hey, I wonder what training they have back there. And you got it. All right, guys. And then tune in. I'm on all the calls. It's awesome. All right. Cheers, guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.